5-Day Weight Loss Kit. Nutrisystem Turbo Jumpstart Classic. Now watch this details. What is Nutrisystem Turbo Jumpstart Classic? Nutrisystem Turbo Jumpstart Classic is weight loss kit. Dieting doesn't have to be difficult. This convenient protein-powered kit contains ready-to-eat breakfasts, lunches, dinners and shakes that are sure to help satisfy your hunger and fuel lean muscle mass. All snacks and meals, like the cinnamon raisin baked bar, hearty beef stew and double chocolate caramel bar, are a good or excellent source of protein. Each kit also includes a meal planner with grocery add-in suggestions, a shopping list that matches the sample meal plan, plus a daily tracker to help you stay on the path to success. Have questions? You'll also get unlimited access to personal nutrition counseling and weight loss resources. Convenient meal tracker and unlimited counseling support included. Includes 5 breakfast varieties, 5 lunch varieties, 5 dinner varieties, and 5 turbo shake mixes. Breakfast: apple strudel bar, biscotti bites, cinnamon raisin baked bar, maple brown sugar oatmeal, peanut butter granola bar. Lunch: cheddar broccoli rice, tuna salad, double chocolate caramel bar, loaded potato, white cheddar mac and cheese. Dinner: hearty beef stew, pasta fagioli, chicken pasta parmesan, ravioli with meat sauce, meatballs and marinara sauce. 5 turbo shake mixes with probiotics to help support digestive health and help bust belly bloat. Thanks for watch this video.